109 Minions. I am so happy you are here for day 27. Whoa, of online learning. Can you count to 27 with me? Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you counting with me? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And this morning for our greeting, I'm going to see how fast I can say all of your names. Ready? Good morning. Alexia, Annis, Anderson, Anthony, Aria, Brianna, Brayden, Traven, Ed, Markey, Emily, Isabel, Jaden, Junalise, Cassandra, Kennedy, Kimberly, Manuel, Mariana, Natalie, Sebastian, Sophia, Valentina. Oh, was that fast? Did you like that? And our share today is, who was my special guest yesterday? Did any of you figure it out?
Hello, 109 Minions, I am back, and I have my hat.
That's right, it was my dad. Yup, Miss Minion's dad. No, he doesn't usually look that silly. He was wearing a wig. Silly, silly Miss Minion's dad. And let's go ahead and do our poem. Today we have an old one from right about Thanksgiving time. Do you remember this? In the month of November. Let's read it. Say it with me. 5 little turkeys. 5 little turkeys standing at the door. One waddled off, and then there were 4. 4 little turkeys sitting near a tree. One waddled off, and then there were 3. 3 little turkeys with nothing to do. One waddled off, and then there were 2. 2 little turkeys in the morning sun. One waddled off, and then there was 1. 1 little turkey better run away, for soon it will be Thanksgiving Day. And let's do our message. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. Dear Room 109 Minions, good morning. Today is Cassandra's birthday. How old is she? Love, Miss Minion. Ooh, do you remember this sight word? S-H-E spells she. If Cassandra were a boy, what word would we use? That's right, he. No S, just he. What word is this? That's right, it's how. H-O-W spells how. And how old is she? Is she 100? Is she 30? Is she 16? No, she's 6. Let's count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's sing happy birthday to her. Ready? Sing with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cassandra. Happy birthday to you. And I hope you have a wonderful birthday. Let's do our sight words. Remember, we are reviewing words now. So we're going to do words for 2 days to practice them. And then we're going to do different words, different old words that we want to practice. What word is this? Now. N-O-W spells now. What if we made it an H in the beginning instead of an N? That's right, it would be how. How now. Those rhyme. We just changed the first sound and keep the middle and ends the same. Wow. What word is this? That's right, it's out. O-U-T spells out, out, out. What word is this? Read. R-E-A-D spells read, read, read. And what word is this? Jump. J-U-M-P spells jump, jump, jump. Pause now to practice sight words. Pausa ahora para practicar tus palabras de visual. Practice your sight words by playing Follow the Path or Memory with a friend or family member. Practique sus palabras de vista jugando siguiendo el camino, Follow the Path, o la memoria, Memory, con un amigo o familiar. Alright, super readers. Last night I was watching the Superman movie. So there's this scene where Superman is trying to break through the rock wall, defeat the danger, and he tries to use his X-ray vision. But it doesn't work. And I thought, oh no, he's doomed! This is it! This is it for Superman! But then he dug deep and he used another power. And he defeated the trouble. And he was saved and everything was okay. And so readers, today I want to tell you that just like superheroes, super readers have to dig deep and use a lot of their powers. Sometimes they try one power and it doesn't work. We might think, oh, that's it, I'm doomed. I'm never going to read this word, but that's not true. You have to dig deep and pick another power, and maybe another power, and another power, until you defeat the tricky words. Good thing we have so many powers. Let's go over our powers. We are super readers. We have pointer power. We have sight word power. We have first letter power. We have picture power. We have reread power. We have sound power. So many powers. Let me show you how I use all my powers just like Superman does when I read a book. Ready? Follow me. All right, I'm going to read this book, Picnic, about Super Mouse. As I'm reading, I'm going to activate my superpowers and show you how I do it. You can help me. When I say activate, you got to say activate with me so I can get extra super reader power to activate my super reading powers. Ready? I know this book is called Picnic. Oh, activate picture power. Mouse. Okay, I don't know this word. I'm going to stretch it out. I'm going to use my sound power. Activate sound power. It. D. S. Fit. Fin. Find. Fins. Fins? No, let me try. Maybe what if I make it a long I, like ice. I, n, d, s. We blend the first two. Fi. Let me add in the n. Fine. Find. Finds. Finds. Mouse. Finds. Okay, let me use my first letter power. Say, activate first letter power. Activate picture power. Cookies. Activate reread power. Mouse finds cookies. Activate pointer power. Oh, I already figured out these words. I don't need to try and figure them out again. I already know them. Mouse finds. Activate first letter power. Activate picture power. Apples. Activate reread power. Mouse finds apples. Can you do this, Paige? You can point at the screen. Activate your first letter power, activate your pointer power, activate your picture power, Activate your sound power and activate your reread powder. Ready, go. Mouse finds bread. Awesome job today so far, readers. Today, I want you to try out a guided reading video. That means you're going to be reading your paper books, ones that maybe look like this or like that, along with me on YouTube. Your grown-up should know how to find the videos. If you need help, call me. And if you need more paper books or harder paper books, or you lost them and need new ones, make sure you let Miss Minion know. I can come put some more in your mailbox. Pause now to do your reading homework. Pausa ahora para hacer tu tarea de lectura. Try a new guided reading book. Use the videos on YouTube to teach you the book and then practice it on your own. Use all your super reader powers to help you when you get stuck. Pruebe un nuevo libro de lectura guiada. Use los videos en YouTube para enseñarle el libro y luego practíquelo por su cuenta. Usa todos tus poderes de super lector para ayudarte cuando te quedes atascado. Hey, writers. So yesterday we looked at that girl Maura in my neighborhood's writing about getting a dog park. Today I thought we could look at another example of kindergarten writing, kindergarten persuasive writing, so we can get more ideas for our writing. Remember, writers take ideas from other writers so they can make their writing even better. Ready? Let's look at this one that my cousin Sophia wrote. She wrote to her teacher about wanting kids to share more during recess. I thought it was a great letter, so I decided to share it with you. Dear Miss S., all the kids should share toys at recess, or else it feels boring. One reason it's not fair when only one kid gets to play with the bouncy ball or the jump rope. Also, kids feel sad when they don't get a turn. We should take turns so nobody feels left out. Recess is more fun. Love, Sophia. Wow. What are some things that Sophia did there that made her writing really strong and persuasive? I bet if I was a kid in her class, I would say, wow, Sophia, you wrote a really good writing. You really convinced me. I do want to share toys at recess. What's something she did? You can say, I know this. Yeah, Sophia does lots of good things. I noticed she used speech bubbles. I also noticed that she showed the faces of the kids over here, kind of sad in the beginning. Like when kids don't share, they look sad. But then over here, they look happy when they're sharing. I also like that she listed her reasons. She said one reason is, and also she gave a lot of reasons. Let's see if we can try that in our writing. I'll get mine out first, and then you can do yours. All right. We know that it's very important to start by going over all your writing. So let's read mine. Kids need computers. I want to learn. Yay. Ooh, I already did that thing Sophia did where I showed the people sad with a speech bubble and then happy with a speech bubble. I think all kids need a computer to learn. It is not fair that some kids can learn and other kids can't. Isn't it sad that some kids are stuck at home with no learning? Ooh, I might try what Sophia did and start a sentence with one reason is. I could say one reason kids need a computer is so they can see their teacher. I like that. Okay, one reason. Oh, I know the number word one. We learned that in phonics. O-N-E spells 111. One reason, R-ring, eagle, Zebra. One reason, U umbrella, one reason, and nest. One reason kids, oh, I already learned how to write kids. Up here, I can copy it. Kids. One reason kids need, yeah, I don't have enough space there. I'm gonna go to the next line. And nest, eagle, need dog. One reason kids need computers. Ooh, that's a tricky kryptonite word. I got it really focused. Cat. U umbrella, come and mouse, come pig, unicorn, that long U sound, compute turtle, computer ring, computers socks. Say, good job, Miss Minion. You got the tricky word. One reason kids need computers is, sight word. IS spells is. Is to see their teacher. To is a sight word. TO spells to. To see. See is a sight word. So many sight words. SEE spells C. To see their. That's our TH thumb blend. There. The egg. There are ring. Is to see their teacher. Turtle. Eagle. CH chair. Teacher ring. And a period at the end. One reason kids need computers is to see their teacher. And maybe up here I can add that. I can draw a picture of a kid seeing their teacher on the computer. Draw the computer. And here's the teacher looking all happy. And here's going to be the kid. And I'm going to draw his face really happy. Why did I draw it happy? I drew it happy because I want to show that the kid would feel better if he could see his teacher on the computer. Just like Sophia drew the kids happy when they were playing and sharing, but drew them sad when they were not sharing and didn't have anything to play with. I could even add a speech bubble. I could write, I love my teacher. I of my sight word teacher. Each. I love my teacher. Today, your job for writing is going to be to add another reason people should listen to your idea. You can start with the sentence starter, one reason, just like I did and just like Sophia did. See if you can also add a feeling in your picture. You can even add a speech bubble if you want. I can't wait to see your writing. Don't forget to send me pictures. I love reading the work you do. Pause now to do your writing homework. Pausa ahora para hacer tu tarea de escritura. Keep going on your persuasive writing piece. Add more sentences and pictures. You can try using the sentence starter, one reason is, and drawing pictures that show feelings and have speech bubbles. Don't forget to send me pictures of your work. Sigue con tu pieza de escritura persuasiva. Agrega más oraciones y imágenes. Puede intentar usar el iniciador de oraciones, one reason is, y hacer dibujos que muestran sentimientos y burbujas de discurso. Speech bubbles. No olvides enviarme fotos de tu trabajo. All right there, mathematicians. Today we're going to play a new game. The game is called Splat. You ready to play? All right, there are some dots here. Do you see them? How many dots are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Splat! Now, how many shapes do you see? That's right, there are 2 blue dots left. How many dots are under the black splat? You can say, I think there are. How do you know? Yes, there are 3 under there. Look. 1, 2, 3. There were 5, and then we were left with only 2. That means 3 got taken away. 1, 2, 3. 3 got covered by the big black blob. Let's write a number sentence to match this. All right, we had 5 dots in all. Then we took away some dots. Question mark means we don't know. Some got splatted on. And then we were left with only 2. 5 minus something equals 2. What number goes there? That's right, 3. We can draw a picture to help us. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if we're left with only 2, 1, 2, how many do we have to get rid of? We have to get rid of 1, 2, 3. So we have 2 left. Think about it like it was cookies. If Miss Minion had 5 cookies, and then in the end she only had 2 cookies, how many cookies did she lose? How many got taken away? How many got eaten by other people? She had 5. Now she only has 2. How many were taken away? That means that 3 had to be taken away. 1, 2, 3. Let's look at another one. All right. How many blue dots are there? That's right. There are 8 blue dots. Let's count them. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Splat! How many dots got covered up? How many dots are under the splat? How could we solve this? We could start by counting the ones that are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 dots left. How many got covered up? We had 8. Now we have only 7. How many got covered? That's right. 1 dot got covered. How can we write a number sentence to match this? Help me out. Get out your whiteboard. All right. We had 8 dots. And then some got covered up. We have to figure out what goes there. And then we were left with only 7. What number should go here? How many dots got covered? That's right. The number 1 should go there. 8 take away 1 equals 7. We had 8 dots. Then we lost 1. It got covered by the big black splat. And that equals 7 dots left. We can draw a picture to match this. Dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have 7 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means that we had to lose 1 dot. We can also count backwards. We can say we had 8. Put up 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we had 7. How many fingers did I put down? I put down 1 finger to get from 8 to 7. All right, how many dots are there? That's right, there are 3 dots. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Splat! How many dots are under the splat? You can say my answer is, I know because. Don't be afraid to talk to the computer. My answer is, I know because. Yes, there are 3 dots under the splat. We had 3 to start. Let's write a number sentence. We had 3 to start, and then we took away something, and we're left with 0 at the end. How many got taken away? How many got covered? That's right, all 3 got covered. 3 minus 3 equals 0. That makes sense. These are really the same. Having 3 cookies and then losing 3 cookies is the same as having no cookies. We lost all of them. You ready to do some for homework? Let's do your math homework. La tarea de matemáticas de hoy es solve the following splat problems. How many dots are under the splat? Write a subtraction sentence to show what happened. Bonus, can you create your own? Resuelva los siguientes problemas de splat. ¿Cuántos puntos hay debajo del splat? Escribe una oración de subtracción para mostrar lo que sucedió. Bonificación. ¿Puedes crear tu propio problema splat? Here are some dots. Start by counting them. How many dots are there? Splat! How many dots are under the splat? You can use the dots that are left to help you figure it out. Press pause while you think about it. You might want to draw a picture on your whiteboard to help you like I did. When you're ready to find out the answer, press play. There are 2 under the splat. Can you write a number sentence to match this? What happened? Pause while you write the number sentence on your whiteboard. Press play when you're ready to check your work. Are you ready to check your work? Let's see. We had 10 in all. We lost 2 because they got covered by the big splat. 10 take away 2 equals how many left? Equals 8 dots left. Are you ready to do another one? All right, how many dots are there? Pause while you count them. That's right, there are 9 dots. Splat! How many dots are under the splat? You can say my answer is, I know because. Ready to check your work? Press pause if you're still figuring it out. I want you to find the number of dots that are under the splat. Go back and rewind a little bit if you have to. Draw a picture on your whiteboard to help you. Are you ready to check your work? There are 3 dots under the splat. Now write a number sentence on your whiteboard to match. How many dots did we have in all? How many did we lose? How many were covered by the splat? How many were taken away? Remember, you want to use that minus sign like this to show it. Press pause while you do this. Press play when you're ready to check your work. Are you ready to check your work? We had 9, and then we lost 3. They got covered by the splat. Take away 3 equals 6 dots left. All right, here is a bonus. Can you come up with your own splat problem? Draw a picture, then draw the splat, and then write a number sentence to match. You can even send me a picture if you want me to try to figure out your splat. Have fun! Today is our second to last day of handwriting books. Whoa, your handwriting probably looks so good. Let's do an uppercase K. Start at the skyline, straight down to the ground line. Come over here, slant in, slant out. Again, down, slant in, slant out. See how I made the slants meet the other line right there about that middle line? That's when it looks its best. Your turn.
K? I love the letter K. K like Cassandra. K like Kimberly. K like Kennedy. K like cuckoo crazy.
Down, in, out. Pull down, pick up your pencil, slant in, slant out. Make sure the slants come together right there at that middle line. Pull down, slant in, slant out. Pull down, slant in, slant out. Notice that my slants are touching the top skyline and the bottom ground line, and it's all coming together right there at that middle line. Lowercase k is really similar. You start at the skyline again, pull straight down, but this time instead of going up here, you start right here at the middle line. Slant in, slant out. See how it touches right there? They all come together in a nice even point. Your turn. same thing, but now the slants are below the middle line. They stay down here for the lowercase k, in between the middle line and the ground line. The top of the K still comes all the way up. Go around, curve, curve, and up. Pull back, in, around, down, and back. All right, time for an uppercase S. We start a little bit below the skyline. Pull around, down, out, back, in, and up. See how it comes right below the skyline and above the ground line? But it touches there, and it touches there, and it comes right through the middle line there. Your turn.
S? Oh yeah! S like Sebastian! S like Sophia! S like silly slimy salamanders!
Pull back, in, around, down, and back. Notice how my curve comes right there along that middle line. And they touch the skyline and the ground line. Just a little bit. Case S is very similar, except instead of being in between the skyline and the ground line, it stays in between the middle dotted line and the ground line. Watch me. I start a little bit below the dotted line, come up and touch it, curve around, down, up, and back in. Like that. Your turn. And my lowercase s is the same, but smaller. It stays in between the middle line and this ground line. Pause now to do your phonics homework. Pausa ahora para hacer tu tarea fonética. Practice the letters K and S in your handwriting books. Focus on making the letters exactly like Miss Minion does. Practica las letras K y S en tus libros de escritura. Concéntrese en hacer las letras exactamente como lo hace la Miss Minion. All right, learners, you know what time it is. Sticker time! Today you did lesson 20.
Oh, dropped the sticker.
Lesson 27. Great job!
Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza, ya empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper todo. Esto se mueve y el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, nos quiere.